Okay, thank you.
No worries at all. Good luck.
Hey, you! Is that you off, then?
Well done, Carla. You won. What do you think? You're going to stop me?
Yeah, I am.
Becky. Where's Becky?
She's here. Aren't you?
Mum, hey, where were you going? What was going on in the car before?
I'm so sorry, Betsy. I wanted this to work. I really did. But I need to go.
What?
Well, do we at least get a goodbye this time?
I love you, sweetheart. Okay? Lisa, I love you so much.
Rebecca Swain, I'm arresting you on suspicion
No, please don't!
Fraud, theft, ABH,
And kidnapping.
and kidnapping.
Betsy.
You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention